Hey, Danica and Victoria, how you doing? Here's your 2005 Camry, and Dad is going to replace the cabin air filter. I just got this. It's a 87139-YZZ81. Was over at Priority Toyota, and Jose, the parts guy, fixed me up. So let's open the car and see what we can do here. It's not that hard. I'll show you how we do it. First we unlock it, and let me bring this in. The cabin air filter is behind the glove box. So let's open the glove box, and the easiest thing to do is take all the stuff out first, because otherwise it's going to probably fall down and get all over the floor. So we'll just take this stuff out. That's good. Nice. And then the next thing, to get the glove box out, there is one screw right here. It's a Phillips screw. And, okay, make my Phillips screwdriver here. Okay. And I'm going to take this screw out. Okay. Yeah, okay. Well, it's kind of hard holding this camera and trying to do this with one hand. Okay, I can do it though. Okay. Alright, so that comes out. Okay. Don't lose it. Okay. This comes off. And hang on, let me grab this. Well, it'll come out. So what you do is there's kind of like some rubber stoppers in here, and you gotta release those on both sides. And I'm gonna put the camera down so I can do that. Okie dokie, there we go. Yeah, I just removed the tabs, and actually this whole box comes off. Well, we'll just leave it off, that's good. And the cabin air filter is inside here, okay? And what you do is, to get this off, you just kind of pull the little tabs in and pull it out. So let me do that. We just push it and it comes out just like that, okay? And gotta go around the wires here. And there we go. Let's check this out. So it's a little bit dirty. You can see in here there's a lot of little crumbs and stuff. So the filter's been doing its job. So we're gonna get this out, and comes out like this. Just you pull it like this, okay? And no, look at this. We replaced this April 17th, 2024. So, you know, we don't really need to replace. You know, I hadn't written down that I replaced this thing. Okay, well, let's pull it out anyways. Let's see what we got here. While I've got it out, and I have a new one. While I have it out, and I have a new one, we can put the new one in, okay? Let's check it out. So this one here is the aftermarket, and then this one here is the genuine Toyota one. So let me put a note on that, and I know we're replacing it a little early. Normally you should replace them every, 10,000 miles, 20,000 miles, but we'll put this one in anyways, okay? Since I got it. So I have written down current mileage is 149,143, and it is November 29th. 2024. So, and this side goes up. And what we'll do is, here's the thingy. There's the up is that way, right? And then up is right here this way. So we're just gonna put this in nice and neat. All right, I'm just gonna put the camera down while I put that in there. So I have tucked it in, and it's nice and clean and neat. So we'll put it back into the slot. So here's the slot, and it's the up. So we're just gonna put this right in there like this. Okay, go around the wires there. Yep. Go around the wires here. There you go, that's nice. Okay, and it actually just tucks in just like this. Whoops. Okay, that's in there and that's in there. So, whoops, I don't want to get these wires messed up, but there we go. There we go. That's nice. Okay, wires are all good. That's tucked in, and just like this. Okay, and it won't come out. Okay, it's really snug. All right, nice. Okay, so next thing to do is I'm gonna put this back like this. And this will go up like this. Okay, so we got the glove box in there nice, and then what we're gonna do is put the screw back in here. Put this on. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, put the little piston thing on here. There we go. Come here. There we go. That's nice. Let's get the screw started. There we go. Screw it in real nice and easy. And we'll test it. Perfect. Look at that. Wait a minute. Is that? Yeah, it's fine. I think I'm gonna loosen this screw just a little bit here. Oh, no, it doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. Perfect. All right, let's fill it back up.